For question 10, we are given a binomial distribution and we are given an expectation and variance, and we need to find the probability that that x value equals 1. This requires you to know your formulas for the mean and the variance for a binomial distribution. So they are that the expectation is equal to the number of trials times the probability of success, and the variance is equal to the number of trials times the probability of success times the probability of failure. Once you have those two equations, you can sub in the values that you were given, and once you have done that, you can get out your CAS calculator and you can solve those two simultaneous equations. Now, there are a number of ways to solve simultaneous equations on your CAS calculator. I'll show you one that you may have not seen before. So you can grab your solve function, which is menu 3.1. One way to do it is to write each equation in a single line. You write your first equation equals 2 equals n times p. Then you can do a space and you can type and. Now, to the calculator, and is a very special word. It's the and operation. It's the logic operation that says the first and second thing must be true. So the and operation here is actually, it's doing something meaningful. Then we can take our 4/3 equals n times p times 1 minus p, and we want to solve for n and p, so we need to put those arguments in because we want to solve for n and p. There we are, we get n equals 6 and p equals 1/3. So we know that n equals 6 and p equals 1/3. That's not our final answer. We need to find the probability that x equals 1. Well, we're going to use our binomial formula, which says that NCR, we take NCR and then we do the probability of success to the power of r, and then the probability of failure to the power of n minus r. So we're going to use this formula. You really should know that. And then we're going to sub in our values here. So we have 6 trials and we want one of them to be successful. The probability of success is 1/3, and that's to the power of 1. Probability of failure is 2/3, and that's to the power of 5. 6 choose 1 is 6. 6 choose 1 gives us 6. Then we have 1/3, 2/3 to the power of 5. Okay, which answer matches that? We're looking for a 6 out the front. 1/3 times 2/3 to the power of 5, and that means that our answer is D.